Hey guys, this is your second week of your Take Action module. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what you need to be doing specifically. Even though you've received a lot of information, I want you to know simply that it doesn't have to be complicated. The most important things that you focus on in this week is that you are focusing on progressive overload with your strength training. That means that you're keeping track of your weights, your sets, your reps, so you know you are getting stronger week to week. The second thing that I want you to do is start your pre and post workout meals. This does not have to be complicated. It can be as simple as a banana and a protein shake right before you go work out. Even if that feels like a lot, just do half of your banana and half of your protein shake. We have to start somewhere. Then, once you finish your workout, I want you to do your full on breakfast, usually a smoothie, within 30 minutes, up to 60 minutes if you have to push it. But ideally, we're starting to consume that smoothie within 30 minutes because our body wants to get out of that catabolic state, and we do that with food. This is our second week, so it's very likely that you're not increasing calories yet. So you're probably not moving up in your reverse diet until next week, unless you notice that you're extremely hungry with the set amount of calories you came up with last week. If that's the case, your body's already functioning higher than what you set it at. Go ahead and raise those calories up 100 or 200 calories. Make sure your protein is set at your ideal body weight in pounds. That equals the grams in protein. And making sure the last thing is making sure that you're getting your steps in per day. I want you to start keeping track of your steps so that you know what does your day-to-day average actually look like, right? So use any sort of activity tracker, an Apple Watch, your Oura Ring, a cheap pedometer on Amazon. It doesn't matter. We just want to know on average, what are you taking for steps per day? From there, let's say, for example, you're taking 5,000 steps per day, then you're going to increase it to 7,000. That's going to be your goal. And you're going to do that consistently for an entire week. Once you get to 7,000 steps per day for an entire week, you're going to move it up to 9,000, and you're going to do that consistently for a week. If you aren't consistent with that goal for a week, then I want you to stay there until you are consistent and it becomes a part of your daily routine and your habits. If you're already getting 10K steps in per day, no problem. Then maybe you want to try to get in 12,000 steps per day, or maybe even moving up to 14 or 15. You may notice that there are some days it's easier to get that in, and then other days it's not, and you just get 10K steps per day. That's okay too. Okay. So we want to find a rhythm that feels really good for you, but we are actually moving our body more, our general movements throughout the day, right? Another great way is to do a 30-minute walk outside each day. I highly encourage this. It's great for stress. It helps your body feel really good. It gets you out moving and grooving. And then the other thing is if you can't allow a 30-minute walk for yourself during the day, do 3 post-meal walks throughout the day. This helps with blood sugar stability, gets your body moving, and also helps you get those steps in per day as well. Make sure you're tracking your foods each and every day. Remember, if we don't have data, we can't make informed decisions. Track your foods every single day. All right, my friends, if you have questions, make sure to put it in the Metabolism Revival community chat, and I am making sure to answer all of your questions. If you need help with your reverse dieting, please put it in there, and I will see you all next week for our next lesson, which is all about circadian rhythm. You're going to love this one. All right, guys, we'll see you soon.